Jai Hind, dear children. All are fine and safe at home. Yes, I am Supriya, your computer teacher. Already started other subject, is it? Yes. Now we have to start our subject. What is our subject? Is computer science. Everybody have to read the textbook and watch the video that day itself. Okay. Now we have to move to the first chapter. Okay. Dear children, what is the first chapter? Storage and memory devices. Okay, storage and memory devices. We have already learned that one of the wonderful feature of the computer is storing of information. Is it? One of the wonderful features of computer is storing of information. You know what are the features of computer? Yes, speed, accuracy, storage capacity, reliability, security, etc. Speed, accuracy, storage capacity, reliability, security, etc. From that, one of the feature is storage. Okay. Computer uses memory devices to store information. Computer uses memory devices to store information. For storing information, computer uses memory devices. Okay. The memory of a computer is also known as storage space. The memory of a computer is also known as storage space. Next is bits and bytes. What is bits and what is byte? Yes, how the data and information can be stored in a computer. You know how the data and information can be stored in a computer. The data in the computer are stored in the form of bits and bytes. The data and information are stored in the computer in the form of bits and bytes. Okay. What is bit? What is bit? A bit is the smallest unit of data that can be stored in a computer. A bit is the smallest unit of data that can be stored in a computer. Otherwise, we can say that a bit is the smallest unit of data or information. A bit is the smallest unit of information. Okay. Next, what is byte? A byte is a group of 8 bits. A byte is a group of 8 bits. That means 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. File stored in a computer in the form of bytes. File stored in the computer in the form of bytes. That is video file, images file, audio files will occupy millions of bytes. Modern storage devices can store lengthy files. Storage devices can store lengthy files. That is DVD, pen drive, CD, Blu-ray disc. These devices can store lengthy files. The storage capacity is measured in the form of gigabytes or terabytes. Next topic is memory size. How we can measure memory size in computer. Okay. That is first 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes. 1 Petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. RAM capacity is measured in megabytes and gigabytes. RAM capacity is measured in megabytes and gigabytes. Okay.
Computers, storage and memory device. Computer. A computer is an electronic device that processes raw data with the help of a program and produces meaningful information. These functions are performed in a cycle called input, process, output cycle or IPO. We input data and instructions in the computer. It processes according to our instructions and produces meaningful information called output. This output can again be input for further processing. This becomes a cycle. Data, collection, checking and preparation of raw data. Input, processing by computer, storing data for future usage. Output, information, processed and organized data. Data, raw facts that have been collected but not organized are known as data. For example, details of employees and hours worked by them. Information. When data is organized in a useful way, it is called information. For example, address of employees, their pay slips, etc. Information must be accurate, complete, and should be given at the right time. Computer memory. Computer memory is measured in terms of bytes. 1 byte is capable of holding 1 character. Each information is represented within the computer memory using binary digits 0 and 1, a bit. A combination of 8 bits makes a byte. Binary 0 and 1 represents 2 states, off and on. 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. 1 nibble is equal to 4 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte or KB is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte or MB is equal to 1024 KB. 1 gigabyte or GB is equal to 1024 MB. 1 terabyte or TB is equal to 1024 GB.